Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Fanny Bay is a charming community located on the east coast of Vancouver Island, in British Columbia. Nestled along Baines Sound, the area offers picturesque views of the Strait of Georgia and the Gulf Islands, with the majestic coastal mountains serving as a stunning backdrop. With a population of approximately 921 residents, Fanny Bay is renowned for its thriving shellfish industry. The community is particularly famous for producing Pacific oysters, Manila clams, and mussels, supplying both domestic and international markets. Fanny Bay Oysters, a prominent local company, operates as a fully integrated shellfish farming enterprise, ensuring high-quality seafood for consumers. Beyond its seafood heritage, Fanny Bay offers a tranquil setting for visitors and locals alike. Nature enthusiasts can explore the region's natural beauty through various hiking trails and water activities, making Fanny Bay a delightful destination for those seeking outdoor adventures.
Thanks for watching!